Hi, my name's Polly. I'm 75 years old, and I had a full mouth dental restoration with Dr. Matheson.
Polly was really struggling in life. She was embarrassed about the way that she looked. She couldn't eat the foods that she wanted to eat, and it really prevented her from getting out and doing things with the girls.
I didn't realize how badly my mouth was affecting my entire life. My friendships, going out, shopping, doing things. I came to Dr. Matheson's office because I had had a horrible experience and lost all my teeth. My mouth was, I felt literally butchered. When I came in for my consultation appointment with my husband, we were both very impressed. I felt like he listened. He heard me and understood my concerns. I was not made to feel less than because I was afraid of the dentist. And it was a very, very different experience for me.
Polly chose to have the All-on-4 procedure done. She is a fun, vibrant, excited person with a lot of life in her. Before she had her procedure done here at Matheson Dentistry, it was like there was a cover over her life.
Dr. Matheson was very clear about each step and how it would proceed. It would take X amount of time for each step in the healing process to complete itself. The next day, Dr. Matheson called me. He wanted to know how I was feeling. And that compassion, he's much more than a doctor or a dentist.
After having this procedure, it was like someone just threw off the curtains and this beautiful, amazing person was able to shine forth. It was life-changing for her.
I've been very happy with the results. The experience has made it so much easier to accept I lost my natural teeth and look what we've got now. My experience here has been phenomenal enough that I want to share him with everyone. Having teeth makes all the difference in the world. A lot of things in life are different and much happier because I'm happier.